I want to double check on the hydraulic lines before deployment.
Already on it, Captain. Winch is ready.
6 containers, 180 meters down to you. We'll start with the first cluster here.
Current reports show strong flow today, Mentainu. ROV will need extra thruster compensation.
18 Aventador Ultimae, last of the naturally aspirated V12s. Incredible collection.
Running pre-dive diagnostics. All systems showing green.
We're good to go. We're still in. We're to go.
This beast is going to bring home $54 million worth of Italian supercars today.
Deck, confirm status.
Supervisor, lift platform is secure. Crane approaching target.
ROV checks complete, ready for deployment.
Cable integrity looks good, ready for heavy loads. Winch response time excellent. We're ready for container lifts.
All right, team, 18 Lamborghini Aventador Ultimae waiting for us at 180 meters. Okay, let's bring them home safely.
Yes, sir. Ready, Captain.
Commencing ROV deployment sequence. ROV systems armed, ready for deployment.
Easy down, steady on the hook.
Hook secured, ready for lift. Throwing fire.
Looking good, bring it over the rail.
Bridge, crane, ROV is clear of the deck.
Roger that. Crane. Begin descent to 5 meters.
5 meters to water contact.
Splashdown confirmed. We are live. Copy that. Bring her down to the first waypoint.
Water entry successful, beginning controlled descent.
Copy that. Proceed to target depth.
Depth 60 meters, all systems nominal. Maintain descent rate.
Passing 100 meters, visibility still good. Approaching target depth, reducing descent rate. Bottom contact in 3, 2.
Bottom contact confirmed, stabilizing at 180 meters.
Excellent work. Begin search pattern.
ROV on station, commencing container search.
Sonar contact, bearing 270 degrees, multiple metallic signatures.
Adjusting heading 270, proceeding to contact.
Currents stronger than expected, compensating with port thrusters.
Take your time, steady progress.
I've got visual on something. Looks man-made. Closing distance.
Container confirmed. First target acquired.
Outstanding. Begin documentation.
I can see partial shipping labels. Definitely our cargo.
That's definitely Lamborghini factory shipping container, right? We found them.
Excellent. Excellent. How many containers do we have down there?
Sonar showing 5 more metallic contacts within 30-meter radius.
We've got a container field, mark all positions, and prepare extraction sequence.
Moving to second container, adjusting for current drift.
Second container located, condition appears good.
Testing container access point. Latch looks workable.
Heavy lift platform is rigged and ready on deck. We can start extractions whenever ROV confirms all 6 containers.
Scanning sector 4, pings are rapid. Wait, I think I see it through the silt, bearing 290. This one's tilted, current's pushing hard here, compensating continuously.
Current's definitely stronger in this sector. Crew, fighting it, but maintaining position check.
You're doing great. Take your time.
Sonar confirms 3 additional containers bearing 045, 110, and 180 degrees.
Lamborghini factory markings confirmed on container 4. Size. Documentation complete.
Excellent progress. Locate final 2 containers.
2 more containers to locate, then we can begin extraction sequence.
Affirmative.
Roger that. Commencing extraction.
5th container confirmed. Moving to final location.
Almost there, team. 1 more to go.
6th container located and confirmed. All targets acquired. Ready to begin extraction operations.
Outstanding work. Mark positions and prepare for recovery sequence.
All right, let's see what we came for. Start with container 1, open it up carefully. Roger that. Returning to container 1.
I can't wait to see these cars.
Approaching container 1, preparing for door access.
Both arms positioned, attempting door access.
Applying pressure to latch. It's giving way.
Oh my God, there it is. Orange Lamborghini Aventador. It's beautiful. Yes.
Yes. Get closer, document everything.
3 Lamborghinis, all in incredible condition. This is unbelievable.
Yes. Yes. We found them.
Each one is worth over $3 million. Extraordinary preservation.
$8 million in 1 container, and we have 5 more to go.
Backing away from container 1, all 3 vehicles documented, moving to container 2.
Perfect work. Let's keep this momentum going.
Approaching container 2. Preparing access sequence.
Pearl yellow Aventador visible.
Giallo Orion color, absolutely stunning.
Container 2, 2 yellows and 1 orange disser, all pristine condition.
Magnificent. 6 cars confirmed, 12 more to find.
Look at that paint quality. The pearl effect is still visible underwater. Incredible engineering.
Container 3 is the tilted one, approaching carefully, currents picking up again.
Tilted container makes door access tricky, adjusting approach angle to compensate for 15-degree lean.
Take your time. You've got this.
Door opened. More turbulence from the angle, sis. Waiting for clearing. Good work handling that tilt.
2 greens and 1 red. The Rosso Mars is incredible.
Verde Mantis Metallic Green, my favorite Lamborghini color.
9 cars documented so far. 9 more in the remaining 3 containers. Halfway there.
Color variety is perfect. Arancio orange, Giallo yellow, Verde green, Rosso red, collector's dream. And we still have narrow black models in the remaining containers, complete rainbow.
Approaching container 5, 2 containers remaining.
Excellent progress, team. Maintain focus.
Container 5 open. I see green and black Aventadors.
Gloss black, Nero Aldebaran. Only 40 of these were ever made in this color. Priceless.
1 container left, 3 final Aventadors. Let's finish this discovery.
All right, let's do it.
Final container ahead. Let's see what colors we save for last.
Make it count, team. 8 out of 8.
2 orange and 1 red. All 18 Lamborghini Aventador Ultimate accounted for. Mission complete.
Yes, we did it. 8 out of 8.
$54 million confirmed.
Outstanding work, everyone. Now let's bring them home.
6 containers, 18 Lamborghini Aventador Ultimate, all confirmed and documented be it. Now the real work begins. Platform integrity confirmed. Ready for first container lift.
ROV pilot, position at container 1 and stand by site. Heavy lift platform descending to your location now.
Copy, Captain. Repositioning to container 1.
Platform clear of deck. Proceed to water deployment.
Platform underwater, descending to 180 meters.
Platform approaching my position, preparing to guide it to container. Platform on seafloor, beginning container positioning for platform loading.
Proceed carefully, those cars are priceless.
Lifting container. Thrusters at 70%, moving toward platform.
Easy does it. Maintain control.
Container on platform, releasing grip. Perfect placement.
Excellent work.
Container 1 secured to platform. All straps confirmed tight, ready for ascent.
Winch team, begin platform recovery.
Platform ascending with container 1. I'm maintaining escort position.
Cable tension normal, ascent rate perfect, keep it steady. Maintaining 0.5 meters per second.
First 3 Lamborghinis coming up. I can't believe we're actually doing this.
Believe it, 18 Aventadors coming home today.
There it is. Bring it in slowly, guide it to the landing zone. Roger that.
Platform secured to deck, container stable, ready for opening.
Confirmed. Let's see these beauties in daylight. I've been waiting for this moment. Wow. Incredible.
Perfect condition, absolutely perfect.
After 1 year underwater, look at that paint, those lines, these are masterpieces. And we have 5 more containers to bring up. This is just the beginning.
Look at that yellow metallic finish.
4 containers recovered, 2 more to go.
ROV systems holding up great, no issues.
You're doing amazing work down there.
Container 5, the one with the black Aventadors, approaching for extraction.
The black ones are stunning. Nero Aldebaran in golden hour light, perfection.
Final container, let's bring this home.
Last one. You've been perfect all day. Finish strong.
6 containers, 18 Lamborghini Aventador Ultimate, all on deck. Incredible work, team. Yeah! Incredible collection. Now the real work begins. Let's get these cars out carefully.
Paint integrity is remarkable. Minor barnacles, but no corrosion underneath. These cars are salvageable.
Can they be restored?
Absolutely, these are going to be perfect.
Support points at the chassis reinforcements, avoid the body panels.
Left side under, right side under, perfect.
Easy, easy, down she goes.
First one recovered successfully.
Interior surprisingly intact. Needs drying and cleaning, but salvageable.
Good news. Continue inspection on all 18.
Engine bay looks good. VIN confirmed. Next car.
$54 million right here.
All vehicles cleared for transit, Captain.
Easy, preserve the clear coat. There we go.
This is the last naturally aspirated V12 Lamborghini will ever make.
So look at this engineering masterpiece.
18 Lamborghini Aventador Ultima, the final naturally aspirated V12 supercars.
Documentation complete. Prepare cars for secure transport to restoration facility.
Your piloting was absolutely perfect. Not a single scratch on any car.
Your guidance on the cars made all the difference.
Protected and ready for transport to restoration facility.